Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to send a group email in Gmail. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Gmail, I need you to click on the Create an Account option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Sending a group email in Gmail involves using Gmail's built-in feature for managing contact groups, especially if you want to efficiently update your team members or your client, your company about a project progress, meeting schedules, or important announcements. It's very useful for communicating with entire departments or specific teams within an organization, ensuring everyone stays informed. Because, for example, group emails can be used to gather RSVPs from attendees and coordinate logistics effectively. But how do we do it? Now, this option or method is also available on the mobile device if you open the Gmail app. Now, what I want you to do is go here at the Google Apps section, click on it, and go to the Google Contacts. Click that. Now, once you are here, I need you to go to the label section and of course create a new label. And I'm gonna rename it as something like how to send a group email in Gmail. I want you to click on save. Now, once you have created that, what will happen is just go to your frequent contacts and you can simply start selecting the options. All right, click on each and every one here. Once you have done that, selecting all of these, you can simply right click and forward that to the specific label that you have created, which is this one. I created this label, all right, by simply dragging all the selected names here on the labels, all right, and there you go. All of it was added now. Now switch over to your Gmail. Now once you are here, all you're gonna do is enter the name of the label here on the recipients section, right? So copy that and go to the recipients. You see, we have like 5 members, and click on it and you would be able to send group emails here in Gmail. Now remember that doing this, all right, streamlines communication and reduces, of course, the need for repetitive messaging and ensures that information reaches all relevant recipients efficiently. It's a versatile tool that supports both professional communication and a lot more. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.